Hey everyone, Chris here. I just wanted to show you, got a new update for the Beaver Builder Flexbox plugin. This incorporates two updates. This video incorporates two updates actually. I've got a minor one and then updated to a major one because I added some new settings. So let me show you how that works real quick. So right now I've got just an HTML module that I've added some, I've added a class to and gave it a width and a height and background color. So what I'm going to do, and then over here you can see I've got it activated in Flexbox. The minor update that I had was I changed the default number of columns. Before it was always defaulted to 1. I changed the default to 0, so it will automatically be set to auto, and you can still adjust that however you want, but the default's going to be auto. Some people were asking, they had requested that feature, and it just makes sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this module a few times so you can see what the other update entails. Let's see, let's get a few more of these on here. Okay, so now I've got I guess 15 of these modules. They are flexing 3 rows of columns of 5, and they're aligned to the center. And so the new setting that I added for the major update is the gap property. I've got a column gap and a row gap. Each one's individual. So for column gap, you can see that now you can adjust the gap in between the Flexbox columns, and then the same for the row. You can adjust the row gap. So I think that'll help a lot of people. This just became standard in all major versions, or all major browser versions. I think Safari was the last one they were waiting on. And you can do either pixels for each. I've also got these other options: percentage, vertical width, EM. It's responsive for the different screen types or screen sizes, so you can adjust that differently for each one. And for row, just the pixels, EM, and vertical width. So hope you enjoy that. Now to show you how to get this update, the update with the column gap and row gap is in version 1.2. Now you can either go to your account settings in the download section and see the Beaver Builder Flexbox. If you have an active license, you can download it directly here. I've also got it set up to do an automatic update, but it's a 2-step update process for probably for most people. So I'll show you how to do that now. So most people are probably gonna already have version 1.1.3. First you'll need to install version 1.1.4. This is a minor update. The 1.1.4 has the new update for the automatic columns, going from 1 column onto 0 columns on the automatic things. And then it also has a new system of getting your automatic updates that incorporates the licensing system. So probably right off the back, if you have 1.1.3 or earlier, you will see this update is available. So I'm going to go ahead and update this one right now to 1.1.4, and now that that is updated, you'll see the new option here. When you go to settings, there'll be a new option for Beaver Builder Flexbox, and this will allow you to put in your license key. Now to get your license key, go to your account settings, on the My Account, click on My Account, and then click License Keys, and you can see I've got my license key here for Beaver Builder Flexbox. So I'll copy that, I'll enter and paste that here, hit Save Changes first, so it'll save it to your database, and then hit Activate License, and then you should see this active sign here. Once the license is active, then you can go back to the dashboard. It may take a few seconds for it to kick in. I usually hit check again a couple times. That's not there, so I'm going to refresh the page. It takes a few seconds for the thing to pull up. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this. And then once, yeah, usually when I reinstall WordPress, now I can see the new update. 1.1.4 update to version 1.2. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. And that will get you the new settings for the column gap and the row gap for Beaver Builder Flexbox. Thanks a lot, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.